Hello and welcome to my channel. It's day 3 of my workshop vlog. So if you watched my other videos, you'd see how far we've come here with this. And he's coming to complete today by putting the floor in and giving me a door as well. So that's ribbon fabrications away for today. Great guys, no mess, no fuss. So let's see what they've done for me today. Lockable door, the night latch, all galvanized and trimmed out. Floor all done and trimmed out with an access panel for a gully that I have there. All screwed down, reinforced. Top class windows. I highly recommend Ribbon Fabrications Limited. The precision and attention to detail is second to none. Find them on Facebook or at this number. Hopefully this is just the beginning. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and check out my channel.